Good day, everyone. Learn the best way to book the cheapest flight from anywhere is to open the browser and then open Google. And from the top right corner where you have the app icon, click on that and then go for travel. Once you click on travel, you can search for flight and hotels and more. So I'll just type Singapore and I'll select Singapore flight ticket and then we will look for flight. Now here you can change the destination. Let's say if you want to go from Malaysia or like London, I'll just type like this. And here you can simply search for the cheapest one, and this is how you can go with the booking tickets. So this is the best way to check the cheapest flight. You can also change the dates and see which is the cheaper one. Please subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.